This is a message to all the Manchester United fans. We are going to face Wolves tomorrow, a team that only has 2 points, has not won a single match this season, and so far, this week has been good because Chelsea drew, Arsenal lost, Liverpool drew. So if this makes you happy, mat hona khush. बिल्कुल भी मत होना खुश. Because I know for a fact that we are going to do something which a lot of people are expecting, especially Manchester United fans. We are going to give Wolves their first win of the season. भाई क्या दिन आ गए भाई. मत होना खुश. Monday night 1:30 a.m. Tuesday morning. I'm still going to watch the match. I'm still going to ruin my sleep, and I know the result already.